So, it was almost 8 years ago today.
Well,
Well, it's actually 8 years ago this coming October that you and I stood right here and made our first YouTube video. And it was a contest. And today we're announcing another contest. Wayne, today's the big day. I know you've been waiting for this. You got your bike here today, right?
Yep.
So, what is the contest about, Dwayne?
All right, so we thought it would be fun to, it's always fun to wear a costume. It's always fun to ride a motorcycle. Thought it'd be fun to do both and win some prizes. What were we talking about? $250?
$250 gift certificate to the top three, not
Right.
just to one, to the top three people.
Right, and you can take a video, a picture. Video is going to resonate a little better, but you can do a picture as well. Post it on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and make sure you make it public and post a link to that post in the comments below.
Yeah, and you can also post it on YouTube.
Right.
So that's Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. And mention DK Custom Products with your post of your photo or your video. And then take the link where we can see wherever you posted and put it in the comments below.
Right.
And then
it's going to run until July 4th of this year, 2019.
Right.
And we'll announce the winners on that day. We'll even post the winners' videos or pictures in a video announcing the winners.
On July 4th, and we're going to pick the top three. There's not going to be first, second, third. We're just going to pick the top three.
Right.
And each person's going to get a $250 gift certificate.
Right. Shocks, air cleaner, tuner, whatever you need for your bike. Don't do anything dangerous. What you saw before, I'm a professional. But don't do anything dangerous or anything like that. And just have fun.
Yeah, and it could be any kind of a costume. And it could be a picture of you standing beside your bike, sitting on your bike, or riding.
Right. Don't do anything illegal, like ride a moped through a police station or anything like that and say we told you to do it.
Yeah,
But,
we didn't tell you to do it. That'd be a funny video, though. But we didn't tell you to do it. So you can have a photo or a video of you with the costume and your motorcycle. And it can be any motorcycle. It doesn't have to be a Harley. It can be a scooter. It can be a BMW. It can be a Harley. It can be a chopper.
Be a Grom.
Be a Grom. Not a bicycle. Post it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, any one of them. Not all of them. You don't have to do all of them. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Mention DK Custom Products in the post. and then put a link to that post in the comments below.
Oh.
The other thing we need to mention is that YouTube has a policy on contests, and all the fine print of the YouTube policy on contests are below in the description of this video. And so make sure that you read that, and that's where all the details are. The contest goes until July 3rd. We're going to pick the 3 winners on July 3rd and then announce them in a video on July 4th.